Hi guys, so today it is September 20th, 2018 and I'm still at the Sauce Queen's place. And so at the American store, I saw these yogurt things, very healthy, and I see it on the commercials on the American channels, but then we do not sell this stuff here. And so they got a few different flavors, and so this one is the Almond Coco Loco, because they were $1 each on sale, so I just bought all of them to try. It's like whatever. And then the Salted Caramel Crunch, and I am excited about this one because I like key lime everything, key lime. And then this one is the close favorite. It's the peach cobbler. I like peach flavor everything too. And so, how did she say this thing works? Just flip this part. This is so high-tech yogurt, guys. I've never done this before. You do it, I'm scared.
Okay.
The Sauce Queen is gonna demonstrate. You can demonstrate on camera.
Yeah, you just take this like this, and then you flip it. Ta-da!
Oh, and then you just mix it.
And then you mix it and eat it.
We're talking about yogurt, are we?
Yes.
Mmm. So the coconut is pretty good. They're not lying about the coconut part. Very, very nice idea, like when you're something in a rush. So I am going for the key lime. So it looks like it's got some type of granola and white chocolate bits in it. So again, so this is what it looks like. The granola bits there. So I'm going to be really pissed if it's not really key lime taste to this. Let's see what they say. Oh, it's a key lime flavor yogurt. All right, gotcha. So that is what it looks like. Very, very nice, refreshing key lime. Really like that one. So my last one I'm gonna do is the salted caramel crunch. That is what I'm gonna do. It's in caramel, low-fat Greek yogurt. Okay, you can see the color of the yogurt is a bit different. You can see the yogurt's got a caramelly color, obviously, a little bit darker color. And they got these pretzel bits in there for you already. So I would assume this is a very, very nice snack to bring to school or whatever, or to work or whatever. I think at least it's gonna make you feel healthier. So this is what a bite looks like, a nice, healthy bite. This one, I am not very into the texture thing because the pretzels, it makes the texture a little bit weird. But it's okay, but if they sell the caramel yogurt by themselves, I would totally buy the caramel yogurt. The last one is peach. It's the peach flavor yogurt. So, that is what it looks like. And it says, got with oatmeal pastry pieces and frosted cinnamon crunch. This one, I think the cinnamon and the peach is a little bit weird combination. If you let me choose between the peach or the caramel, I would rather choose the caramel. So, yeah. So, my favorite one, let me taste this. Coconut again. Sorry. My favorite is the key lime one. The yogurt is the most very key lime taste. I really, really love it. And it reminds me of Florida, the key lime pie stuff. I was actually a little bit biased already about it when I bought these because I know which one I'm gonna like already. And so the first place is I like the key lime one. The second place is caramel one. And then these ones are just whatever. The peach one was a little bit of a letdown. So those two can go bye-bye. Alright guys, so this is something a little bit different, just tasting some yogurt. And so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.